Hello everyone, it's Christine from the Crafters Outpost, and it's giveaway time, so here how it works. On August 15th, we will be announcing the journal that all of you have voted for the giveaway on the Crafters Outpost Facebook group. We will be giving away one of my cute junk journal packages, and then a second and a third winner will also be chosen for a surprise gift to say thank you to all of my subscribers who are enjoying watching my YouTube channel. Now here are all the books that I have created that you guys have been voting on the Crafters Outpost Facebook page. And if you are new here, I will put that link in the description box below so you can go vote. Voting will end on August 15th, and then we will pick a winner. So number one looks like it seems to be in the running right now. It also happens to be one of my favorites because I love vintage. But here are all the books that was created and the ones that everyone has been voting on. So at the end of 13 books, as you look through them, I just wanted to take this opportunity as you're looking through the books to thank each and every one of you for all the beautiful comments and the encouragement that keeps me wanting to continue with my crafting. Okay, so with that being said, let's get on to how you can enter. Okay guys, so here is how it's going to work. First, I would like for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now you do have to be a verified subscriber. Now after you have subscribed to my channel, please go to the playlist. I have like 90 videos that you can choose from, and I would like for you to watch 2 of my videos all the way to the end. After that, then come back to this video and go to the comments section below and comment the title of the 2 videos that you watched. The reason for this is to help me to know what kind of videos you guys like and what I can make in the future. Okay, so once we have reached 1,000 subscribers, then YouTube will pick a winner. And that's it, guys. We're almost there. We are at 600 now.